What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to everyone. This is 2021, and today I'm starting the year by showing you how to schedule a premiere because lots of people have been asking me how. First of all, if you're on a PC like I am now, you go to your picture and you take YouTube Studio. You see the dashboard and content. You click on content, then you choose the video in which you want to schedule the premiere. So this is where I've already written the title, written everything about the video. And yeah, it's let me just use this opportunity to say this. When you are placing cards in your video for new YouTubers, if you don't know what cards are like while watching a video, you can refer them to another video. Okay, so I learned that it's not good to place cards immediately when you start your video because it makes people click out of your video, which is not good. So always try to like put your cards around 3/4 into the video. Okay, guys, so I just decided to do that because I hadn't placed the cards yet. So to schedule a premiere, your video has to be on public. Okay, when I upload my video, I put it on unlisted because I want to check things like copyright and all that. So you put it on public and then you put schedule. If you want it to schedule instantly, you can take the instant schedule, but I wanted to schedule it like further, not immediately. Now this is what I usually do when I want to schedule my video. I go to my YouTube studio and I check like the best time in which I can post. I have a video on that. If you haven't watched the video, I think I'll put the card around now because we're almost half of the video. So you can check the best time in when your audience are online. That's when I usually like scheduling my videos, and that has proven to work. Now I just go into my YouTube studio one more time, my analytics, and then I take the audience where is darkest, where I have the darkest shade of purple, the day, that's Monday. I choose the time YT has given me. Okay, you can always do this for your videos, guys. It works. You see, they say 8 p.m. There many of your viewers are on YouTube. I usually go down to TubeBuddy because TubeBuddy has summarized it. You can download TubeBuddy, or I'll leave the link in my description. You can download it using my affiliate link, please. So that's where TubeBuddy has given you the upload time and the live stream time. Since Premiere is like a live stream time, I'll take like the live stream time. Okay, when I get this time, I'll come back now where I'm scheduling the premiere. I'll put the date. You put the date. If you want it the same day, make sure to always check that it's the same day you want it. Okay, then I'll take the time that TubeBuddy has given me, or YouTube. If you don't have TubeBuddy, you can just go with what YouTube says, which is 8 p.m. and then you take set as premiere. Always click on done, because if you don't click on done, it will not go. Okay, you take save, and that's it. So this video now will be recommended to those who are subscribed to me, especially those who have my bell turned on, which is important. Always emphasize that people should turn on your bell, even though no matter how you emphasize, some will never see turn on the bell. So it says this video is scheduled to go public for its premiere on December 21st 2020 at 8 p.m. For now, it's labeled as private. Yeah, when you schedule this a premiere, that's how it is. It is private till the time when it has to go live. And guys, always remember to turn on your monetization. It's useless if people come for your premiere and your monetization is off. Like, you just wasted the whole that premiere, because during the premiere they give you more time. Okay, depending on how interactive your premiere is. So I encourage you, when you're having a premiere, try to be there, try to make it interactive so that you have like more time, you have more chat time and all that. So you can see I have a copyright claim on a video here. I've not published the video. Anyway, I'm going to show you how that works in another video. So this 2021, I'll be bringing lots of this video, or I'll bring this type of videos to just help beginner YouTubers who are starting in this year 2021. And just as a form of encouragement, don't give up, guys. Let's keep on pushing. let's keep on pushing. The sky is so broad to take every star, so don't give up if you are not yet a star. Thank you so much for watching my video. Remember to subscribe and turn on my notification bell, guys. I'm definitely gonna see you in my next video, and watch out for more YouTube videos.